Hello guys, in today's video review we've got a real beast from your Ulefone factory. It comes with a mega battery of up to 22,000 mAh that can last for weeks, an extremely powerful rear LED light of up to 1000 lumens and a stunning 6.78-inch display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate with a Gorilla Glass 5 protection, up to 24GB of RAM, 64MP wide angle and night vision camera, and a host of other outstanding features. You won't want to miss out comprehensive Ulefone Armor 24 video review. A new robust smartphone comes to us from the workshop of the most popular Chinese manufacturer Ulefone with the new impressive Armor 24 model. Along with our Armor 24 we also get this Armor holster. It's a multi-purpose phone pouch for Armor 24 that can be bought separately, and we'll look at a little later. And now let's start with unboxing. The smartphone is packed in a well-known Armor series box, featuring a distinctive yellow color and printed metal elements symbolizing strength and durability. Inside the box, a cardboard envelope holds a variety of accessories not common offered by other brands. So we have a SIM pick for opening the SIM tray, a hand strap for secure phone handling, paperwork including a multilingual Armor 24 user manual, an additional tempered glass screen protector, despite the phone already have one pre-installed at the factory. Set the phone aside. What we also can find: a vibrant yellow USB Type-C cable for fast charging and a 66-watt super fast charger promising a rapid charging for our smartphone. This comprehensive set of accessories complements the phone's rugged features, making it a standout choice in the market. Now we can proceed to explore our smartphone. At the first glance we can conclude that the Armor 24 is a really robust and a powerful smartphone. We can't say that it isn't a massive smartphone, but they had to put a 22,000 mAh battery somewhere, and that's the fact. So don't complain because the smartphone is a bit bulky, because this is a smartphone for extreme conditions and where you don't have the possibility to charge your phone for days if you are on a trip or camping. As with all Ulefone smartphones, the quality and finish of the product itself is brought to perfection. The case is rubberized, which contributes to excellent stability and comfort in the hand. This phone will not slip out of your hands that easily. On the sides of the phone, in a grey metal frame that exudes robustness and strength, we find these perforated metal buttons, very pleasant to the touch. It is a volume up and down button, and below it is a power button with the finger unlock option. On the opposite side, we find the SD card tray that have even 3 free slots, 2 for nano SIM cards at the same time as one for micro SD card of up to 2TB. A little lower we can find this perforated button that activates the rear impressive camping light in many as 3 strengths. We can also use this camping light through the application in the phone, where you can adjust of power, type of light as a SOS option, or adjust the legit of the timer which this light will shine. A little lower you can notice this orange programmable button here, which can be personalized to execute various functions with the phone or compatible applications such as Zello PTT walkie-talkie function. This button can be activated with the one click, double click or long press. And a little below there is a U-Smart connector that serves to make Armor 24 a more professional device to connect it with the endoscope, microscope and other professional equipment that you can also order separately in Ulefone's web shop. At the phone button you will find USB-C charging port protected by the rubber cap that ensures the phone maintains its rugged 100% waterproof rating. Next to it are the speaker grills, under which there is a really loud speaker. On the very top of the phone, under the rubber cap, is something we all love to see, which is a 3.5mm headphone jack. But that's not all. As you can see, here is infrared sensor. Yes, the Armor 24 can also serve as a universal remote control in your household, with which you can control almost all devices such as air conditioning, television, hi-fi stereo system through the application on your mobile phone, and all other devices that have infrared connectivity. This is a really great and useful feature. Now let's take a look at the smartphone from the front. We have a beautiful large 6.78-inch FHD Plus 120Hz refresh rate display with the currently strongest Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protective glass. 120Hz screen are rare in rugged phones, and if you want to be smooth and power efficient, you can also choose 90Hz refresh rate in settings. In this big eye-pleasing display, acceptable slightly wider frames for protection with the punch hole in the middle, in which there is a 60 megapixel front camera with a face unlock function, which can be perfect for your video calls and selfies. With a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, the screen ensures sharp and crisp visuals. The 120Hz refresh rate coupled with the 240Hz touch sampling rate guarantees smooth and fluid motion on the screen. This is particularly used for activities like gaming, where a responsive display is crucial for quick actions. Scrolling through the web pages and apps feels exceptionally smooth, enhancing the overall user experience. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection not only boasts screen durability but also provides peace of mind, allowing you to use your phone confidently without fearing minor scratches or cracks. The robust brightness ensures the screen remains visible and clear even in the challenging lighting conditions, whether outstanding on sunny days or in a dim lit room. Whatever you are watching your favorite series, enjoying YouTube videos, or you enjoy your mobile gaming, the Armor 24's display enhances your content consumption experience. The combination of the size, resolution, and color accuracy makes it a versatile and enjoyable screen for a wide range of activities. Let's take a look at the back of the phone now and see what this impressive design back. The most noticeable thing this is this huge LED camping light. 6-watt max power consists of many of 510 pieces of lightning beads with the maximum power of as much of 1000 lumens. And it can be great help to you in situations where there is no light, such as in the forest or in some close dark spaces, where you seek a safe camping spot for the evening in the safety light for a construction site early in the morning. The Armor 24 can do the job. Its software includes multiple brightness settings and clearly ideal for camping, with the app to control the specific brightness level required, or activate emergency SOS mode to attract attention for potential many miles away in open space. So this lamp here behind, among other things, can save lives. If you like to wander through the wilderness, the Armor 24 will surely be your best companion. In the same metal frame that unites this LED light, there is also a dual camera setup. Yes, one of the standout features of the Ulefone Armor 24 is its versatile 64 megapixel dual camera setup. 64 megapixel wide angle camera with the Sony IMX686 sensor can capture stunning photos and videos of your adventures with exceptional quality and details. Nighttime photography is a breeze with the Ulefone's 64 megapixel night vision camera with the 2x infrared LED light. You can experience the thrill of capturing clear and vivid images even in low light conditions. Rear camera photography features the normal mode, night vision mode, film mode, 64 megapixel mode, portrait, pro mode, panorama, slow motion, and much more, and enables recording of videos of up to 2K resolution at 30 fps. Now, to get a feel for the camera performance, it is the best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using the Armor 24, so let's take a look. As you can see, the Armor 24 really doesn't have to be ashamed of these cameras. Let's kick off the performance aspect. The Armor 24 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G96 chipset. Constructed with the 12nm technology, it boasts advanced energy efficient and average but satisfactory speed. This chipset is combined with the 2 big R76 cores with a boost of the performance. The frequency of the chipset is 2.05 GHz, which is good for long-term gaming. There will be no issue with using this chipset in a long-term gaming season. This chipset also supports 120 Hz refresh rate with a 240 Hz touch sample rate. This will help in smooth performance with a low latency. This chipset can support PUBG Mobile at 16 FPS. This is because of the scores of the GPU. It effortlessly tackles even demanding games available on the Google Play Store, delivering solid performance and medium graphic settings. Now, delving into the memory configuration, the Armor 24 sets a new standard with a large 12GB base RAM, and it gets even more interesting by utilizing the extended 12GB RAM feature. It can reach up to 24GB of RAM in total, which is great in getting greater speed and fluidity. In terms of storage, the phone offers 256GB of internal memory, expandable up to 2TB with a memory card for those seeking additional storage capacity. Moreover, the phone's gigantic 22,000 mAh battery ensures hours and hours of uninterrupted gaming, and when your battery runs out, count on the quick continuation of the gaming with a 66W fast charging. So if you're a gaming fan who enjoys playing the latest titles, this phone deserves seriously considerations. The Armor 24 operates on the latest pure Android 13 operating system and comes equipped with all Google applications and all new features. Furthermore, it boasts several practical pre-installed apps, including a System Manager Optimizer and a versatile toolbox which can provide indispensable in various field scenarios. This is also FM radio that we can listen on this phone without any wires or antennas or internet connection, just real old school radio. Notably, the phone supports NFC and is compatible with the Google Pay for added convenience. It is even necessary to emphasize that the Ulefone Armor 24 proudly holds the IP68 and IP69K rating, significantly its ability to withstand immersion in water of up to depth 1.5 meters for duration in the 30 minutes, while also demonstrating resistance to both dust and water intrusion. Additionally, it successfully met the rigorous MIL-STD 810H military standards, confirming the device's ultimate resistance in exceptionally harsh environments. As I mentioned in the beginning, for Armor 24 we also received this leather armor holster. It is a multi-purpose phone pouch for Armor 24 which can be purchased separately. You can hang it on the belt or simply hang it somewhere. It fits our Armor 24 perfectly, and there is also slots that you can put your credit cards if needed. Anyway, a very useful and a practical case that I recommend you buy it if you intend to take the Armor 24. The Ulefone Armor 24 is a unique game changer in the world of rugged smartphones. It's been put through rigorous durability tests, providing its ability to thrive in even the harshest conditions. With impressive IP68, IP69K and MIL-STD 810H ratings, this phone is perfect companion for those with active lifestyles. But the Armor 24 doesn't just excel in ruggedness, it also impresses in terms of specifications, featuring a powerful 64MP wide-angle camera and a 64MP night vision camera with the 2 infrared LEDs, along with all stunning large 6.78-inch display with the 120Hz refresh rate. It offers top-notch visuals. Under the hood is driven by the 8-core MediaTek Helio G96 processor of up to 24GB of RAM, expandable virtually, and the storage options of up to 256GB. The massive 22,000 mAh battery ensures it stays powered for a long time without the need for charging. Running on Android 13 even includes the infrared blaster for added convenience. Massive LED lights on the back. This phone is a rugged powerhouse that delivers on both durability and performance. So if you are interested in purchasing the Armor 24, and I'm sure you are, official sales links are available below this video. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of the promotional pricing available now. So hurry up and get yourself your new Ulefone Armor 24, the ultimate power bank rugged phone today. today. Well, there is a chance because quantities are limited. That's all for now, see you soon in the next video review, bye.